Hey guys, so crypto right now is crashing, as you already see in the charts. And why it is happening is because, first of all, we are in the summer. You can see in my video the weather is amazing, the weather is great. And you should always ask yourself, why would people right now want to check prices or check the Bitcoin, how it's going up or down, when we are in the summer, in the vacation season? Everyone rather go to beach and chill, take a vacation, just enjoy the weather and so on. And this is one of the reasons why crypto is going down, and it could even go down much more. I think it could go down to 48,000 because we are still in a summer. It's still a July, and August could be still a crypto stagnation. That's why I would recommend you to not get your hopes up. I think we will most likely start to go up in September or October, because if you see the 2020 charts before we enter the 2021 crypto bull run, you can see that October is the first month when the Bitcoin starts going up significantly. That's why I'm not really bullish on summer, although we may get a Ethereum ETF launched, and all the big funds, the corporations, the institutions are bullish on crypto. The ETFs will start going up, and yeah, I think the summer is the last chance you can buy the crypto low. That's why I would recommend you to research the gaming, the AI, the real world asset projects that are pushed by BlackRock, and crypto will definitely come back. Also, you should check the liquidity cycles, because the 4-year cycle, the presidential run, all matters. The 4-year cycle usually goes along with these liquidity cycles and the presidential run. That's when they are basically printing the money, and they will print the money because they have no option. Otherwise the dollar will collapse and they will not. And most likely you have seen the news about Germany selling their Bitcoin and buying back the Bitcoin. The truth is that they are not buying back anything. They are basically sending the 100 million worth of Bitcoin to centralized exchanges, which they will most likely sell. And this is one of the other reasons why crypto is going down, because right now, while we are in a bearish basically season, every bad news that are coming out about the Bitcoin will dump. It's not like we are in a crypto euphoria where China is banning Bitcoin and it doesn't matter, the Bitcoin is going up. That's because we are not in a proper bull run. We are still in a pre-bull run. And again, the bull run most likely will start in September, October, when people are back from the vacations, back from enjoying the beaches, chilling. That's when they are starting to enter the Christmas season, where everyone is spending money on some BS, just spending too much money, and that's when the money printing will start as well. That's why stay tuned for the fall. Bitcoin bull run is coming. We haven't seen a bull run in 4 years. That's why I'm always talking about the 4-year cycle. So you just have to be patient, and if you want to see more alpha early, more crypto, airdrop and NFT alpha, you can follow my Patreon. It's only $5 a month. I am trying to post daily alpha, daily opportunities. So in 2025 we all become rich. I hope we'll become rich. My personal mission this crypto cycle is just to deliver as much value as I can on my Patreon, on my YouTube, on my TikTok and on my Twitter. So if you want, you can follow. All the links are in my bio, in my description. So if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, share this video, and thanks for watching.